word you in Dutch means je, jij, and ik means I. So in Dutch, mostly use je for you. So if you talk to somebody and you want to say you use the word je. However, you have also seen the word jij, which also means you. But I'll explain you what the difference is. So the rule is you use je to mean you. So in 80% of the cases you use je to mean you, except when you want to stress the word or emphasize it, and then you use jij. And in English we don't have different words for that, but we have a trick for that in English. So let's explain that. So you are having friends over for a drink. Ask the first one, would you like a drink? Ask the other the same question, then you would probably say it in a different way, right? You would say, would you like a drink? So you probably pronounce you differently the second time. The first time you say, would you like a drink? The second time you say, would you like a drink? And that second one, where you pronounce it differently, that's where we use the Dutch jij. So I'll show you that in an example. So to the first friend you say, wil je iets drinken? So here we use je. To the second friend you say, wil jij iets drinken? So we have a different word, so you don't have to do it with the intonation, but you just do it with a different word. So the reply is simple, you always use ik. Ik wil iets drinken. I would like to drink something.